There, check this out. We are cooking rice. We're cooking rice using firewood. Just firewood. So soon this will be ready. You see the rice land is being tended upon. So we caught some free-range chickens last night, and now we're cooking rice, preparing food for the people working on the rice land. So here, for those who are not from Southeast Asia, this is one bushcraft way of preparing or cooking rice. Let's check what's inside. Soon this will be ready. Wait for this to boil. Then there we remove the covering of the pot. Then we bring it back. There, voila, you now have rice ready for lunch. This is for lunch. Alright, join me again for another video on the outdoors and farm life, hiking, blade culture, prepping, music. Jason here for the Bayon channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.